Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sarah El Ruelo from DSIT 1C. This is my two-dimensional array. Hashtag include less than iOS stream greater than. Using namespace standard semicolon. Int main, open parenthesis brace. Int array, square bracket 3, square bracket, square bracket 3, square bracket, semicolon. C out, less than, quotation mark. Enter the 9 integers, colon, quotation mark. Less than, end line, semicolon. For open parenthesis, int I equals 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. For open parenthesis, int j equals 0, semicolon, j less than 3, semicolon, j plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. Sin greater than, arrays, square bracket I, square bracket j, square bracket, semicolon, brace, brace, brace. This line is called user input. The user input is this code snippet prompts the user to enter 9 integers and stores them in the 2D array. And the next line is cout less than, quotation mark, enter the elements, colon, quotation mark, less than, end line, semicolon. For open parentheses, int I equals 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. For open parenthesis, int j equals 0, semicolon, j less than 3, semicolon, j plus plus, brace. Cout less than array, square bracket I, square bracket j, square bracket, less than, quotation mark slash t, quotation mark, semicolon, brace. Cout less than, end line, semicolon, brace. This code is display entered elements. It's display the elements in the 3 times 3 array. And the next line is cout less than, quotation mark, sum by row, colon, quotation mark, less than, end line, semicolon. For open parentheses, int I equals 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. And close sum equals 0, semicolon. For open parenthesis, int j equals 0, semicolon, j and semicolon, j less than 3, semicolon, j plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. Row sum plus equal array, square bracket I, square bracket j, square bracket, semicolon, brace. Cout less than, quotation mark, row, quotation, less than I plus 1, less than, quotation mark, colon, quotation mark, less than, row sum, less than, end line, semicolon, brace. This line is called sum by row. Calculates and display the sum of elements in each row. And the next line is called int main diagonal sum equals 0, semicolon. For open parenthesis, int I equals 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. Main diagonal sum plus equal array, square bracket I, square bracket I, square bracket, semicolon, brace. This line is called sum by colon. Sum by colon. Calculates and display the sum of elements in each column. And the next line is cout less than, quotation mark, sum of the main diagonal, colon, quotation mark, less than, main diagonal sum, less than, end line. And this line is called sum of main diagonal. Sum of main diagonal is calculates and displays the sum of elements in the main diagonal. And the next line, it's called end alternate diagonal sum equals 0, semicolon. For open parenthesis, int I equals 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, open parenthesis, brace. Alternate diagonal sum plus equal array, square bracket I, square bracket 2, minus I, square bracket, semicolon, brace. This line is called sum of the alternate diagonal. Sum of the alternate diagonal is called calculates and displays the sum of the elements in the alternate diagonal in each element. Search element, cout less than, quotation mark, enter an elements to search, colon, quotation mark, semicolon, sin greater than, search element, bool found equal false element, false, semicolon. For open parenthesis, int I equal 0, semicolon, I less than 3, semicolon, I plus plus, open parenthesis, brace, for open parenthesis, and j equal 0, semicolon, j less than 3, semicolon, j plus plus, open parenthesis, brace, if open parenthesis, r square bracket, I square bracket, j square bracket, equal, search element, open parenthesis, brace, C out, less than, quotation mark, elements found at row, quotation mark, less than, I plus, 1, less than, quotation mark, comma, column, quotation mark, less than, j plus 1, less than, end line, found, equal true, semicolon, brace. This line is called searches for an element in the array and display in position of a message it not found. And this next line is called end flat array 9 square bracket 9 square bracket semicolon and index equals 0 semicolon for open parenthesis and I equals 0 semicolon I less than 3 semicolon I plus plus open parenthesis brace for end open parenthesis and j equals 0 semicolon j less than 3 semicolon j plus plus open parenthesis brace flat array square bracket index plus plus square bracket equal array square bracket I square bracket j square bracket semicolon brace. This line is called flatten and short the array. Flattens the 2D arrays into a 1D array, short it in ascending and descending order, and then display the shorted arrays. Short open parenthesis flat array comma flat array plus 9 open parenthesis semicolon C out less than quotation mark sorted elements in the ascending order colon quotation mark less than end line quotation semicolon for open parenthesis and I equals 0 I equal short open parenthesis flat array comma flat array plus 9 comma greater than less than and greater than open parenthesis semicolon C out less than quotation mark sorted elements in descending order colon quotation mark less than end line semicolon for open parenthesis and I equals 0 semicolon I less than 9 semicolon I plus plus open parenthesis brace C out less than flat array square bracket I square bracket less than quotation mark slash T quotation mark semicolon brace C out less than end semicolon return 0 semicolon brace. This code is shorted elements. The elements of the 2D array are plotted into a 1D array, shorted in both ascending and descending order using the shorted function from the less than algorithm greater than library and then displayed. And thank you.